Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of MedLegal's How-To video series. In this series, we'll be showing you how to get the most use out of our products and services, starting today with episode 1, How to Use Zing. Zing is MedLegal's very own cloud-based evidence management software. With it, you can find and manage your cases, view any records that you've ordered along with our very popular records reviews, download and search through your records, and send them to whatever party you need to. To get started, you're going to need to go to our website, getrecords.com. Creating an account is simple. Just click Create an Account. All you need to do is create a unique username, along with filling in your email address, personal, and firm information. Let us know if you're an applicant's attorney, defense, claims adjuster, doctor, or other workers' compensation vendor. Once all the required fields are filled out, just click Create My Account, and you're all set. Once your account is created, your password will be emailed to you right away. Make sure to get that information so you can log in. Now, in order to log in, all you need to do is click Log In on our homepage. You'll have to enter your username and your password that was emailed to you, and also just fill out a quick CAPTCHA. Once all that information is filled out correctly, you'll be redirected back to our homepage, where you'll see the Login button has changed to Log Out. So before we move on, it's helpful to know that you are able to change your password if you so choose. When logging into your account, just type in your username and your password, and rather than hit go, just click Edit My Login. From this page now, you'll be able to enter a new password, confirm it, as well as update any information that might have changed for your account. Once that's done, just click Update. Now, our Get Records site does have quite a few capabilities here. You can place an order for records online, check status of a pending order, download any of our forms and authorizations, which are public for anybody to use, and of course, get to Zing. The nice thing is that all the tabs are located on the top left corner of the page for easy access once you're logged in. To get started with Zing, just click the Zing tab. Now you'll notice that we're currently on the Zing portal, noted by the top left corner that says Zing Evidence Manager. Now to get to your records, which is what most people are looking for, just click Looking for Zing. So now we've been redirected to the main hub where people will search for the records and cases on Zing. You'll notice on the right side there's a column here with your last searched cases. Any case that you've looked up previously will show up in this column here for easy access. Now, the search bar here in the middle of the page will allow you to search for your cases by name, case number, social security number, or your file number if that information was provided on your original order. In addition, if you happen to have the MedLegal control number, you can search for a case that way too. In this case, I'll search for the records I need by looking up the MedLegal control number. Once you enter your search information, all the cases pertaining to that information will pop up on the list here. You'll see the control number pop up, along with the applicant's name, case number, last 4 digits of their social, and the file number if available. At this point, you can go ahead and click the blue link for the case you're looking for. At this point, you'll see the entire list of records available that our office has ordered for you. Now, at first glance, this may look a bit overwhelming, but let's go ahead and break it down. The first category here will show the category of records, whether it be x-rays, medical records, claims and benefits, personnel and payroll, billing, or any other type of records you may have ordered. Next, you'll see the date that the records were made available on Zing. In the description column next to that, you'll see the name and address of each facility that we've ordered records from. This is the column that most people will start looking at when they're looking for the file they need. Now finally on the right side, you'll see a column that's labeled Documents. There are a few different options here for accessing the files you need. If you see a blue link that's labeled Excerpt, that means that file is a records review, which is MedLegal's very popular summary of any medical and claims files. This is great for when you need a quick summary of the records and not the entire hundreds of pages long file. To read it, just click the blue link that says Excerpt and a Word document will download. When you open it up, this is what you'll see. So again, at this point, we're able to view an entire outline and summary of the patient's treatment at a particular location. It's sorted in chronological order by the date of service. You can view what page number any relevant information can be found in the original file, as well as important information. For privacy reasons, we've censored any personal information on this page. So now that we've gotten what we needed out of this excerpt or records review for the US HealthWorks location, let's go ahead and take a look at how to download the original file. As we go down the list here, you'll find a second location with the same name, US HealthWorks Medical Group. Now instead of saying excerpt, you'll see a blue link that says Records 1 of 1, as well as a link that says View. Now it's important to note that these are two separate links. If you'd like to download a PDF version of the records you ordered, just click the Records 1 of 1 button. This will go ahead and start the process for you. Just open up your file, and you'll see the records right here. At this point, you'll be able to either save or print the file, so you can do whatever you need with it. Now, getting back to our list here of locations, you'll see that there's a second button that's labeled View. By clicking the View button, this will pull up another version of your file. Now, the important distinction here is that you're viewing the file within your web browser. This gives you a lot more freedom to search for specific keywords or phrases within the file. In addition, you'll see a nice breakdown of a table of contents that we've created for you. You can view our paperwork, the very start of the records, any doctor's notes, radiology or diagnostic information, as well as general medical records. Now, let's go ahead and search for something in the file. Let's search for something simple like injury. Now, at this point, our program has searched the entire file and found every instance of the word injury in it. So if we click the first instance here, we see that it comes up on page 12. Sure enough, here's page 12, where we can clearly see the history of this injury. This feature makes it so easy for you to search for exactly what you need in your records. Gone are the days of taking a 1,000 to 2,000 page file with you to court. Now, all you need is a laptop with Zing, and you can search for exactly what you need on the fly. One thing our clients love about Zing is that you're able to search across multiple sets of records at the same time. This means you don't have to click individually on one set of records and then go to the next one once you're done. All you need to do is check the boxes of the records you want to search. So let's go ahead and check the box for US HealthWorks that we've just been looking at. Let's go ahead and search for this doctor's location in Long Beach as well. And all you need to do to search both of them at the same time for whatever information you need is just click search right at the top here. Now by doing that, you'll see that we have both of our locations listed here, and we can search for whatever we need to. So we'll go ahead and search injury. And as you can see, we can find records for both locations with the keyword injury. So if you do have a demo coming up, Zing can be an extremely powerful tool to pinpoint exactly where the information you're looking for is. And this is especially helpful for really large files. So to finish off this first video in our how-to series, we're going to show you one more thing that Zing has to offer. It can be a major hassle to have to physically mail a copy of records out to another attorney, carrier, doctor, or even an SIBTF evaluator. Zing will make the process incredibly easy for you. To safely and securely send the records that you need, all you need to do is select which files you need to send. Let's go ahead and check the box for the US HealthWorks records that we were just looking at. Once you've selected everything that you need, just go to the top and click File and Email. Once you do that, you'll see the entire list of records that you selected here, in this case just R1, along with some options. You can allow whoever you're sending the records to access all and future documents on this case if you so choose. You can use a separate email to send the password to access the records, and you can also share any annotations that you might make on the records yourself. After that, just type in the email address of the person you need to send records to, add a subject line and a message, and hit send. The process is simple, easy, and most importantly, HIPAA compliant. Another positive is that you will know when the recipient of your email has accessed the records. So, if you're sending records to opposing counsel, you'll get an email notification once they've opened up the file. So that's a basic overview of how Zing can help you. You can easily find and manage your cases by downloading your records, records reviews, and sending records to whatever party you need to. Now, there are certainly more features and ways that Zing can help you, but we'll discuss those in a later video. For now, if you have any questions, feel free to call our customer service line at 800-244-3495 or email us at info@med-legal.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video, and have a great day.